In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Apple Pay and Stripe, walking you through this process step by step. It's a straightforward guide that ensures you can get Apple Pay up and running with your Stripe account efficiently. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Stripe dashboard. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the home page of your Stripe dashboard, you'll notice a host of options laid out for you. There's a lot you can do here, but for our purposes, we need to head towards the settings. Find the settings icon. It might look like a gear or cog, typically located in the corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. Once in the settings menu, you'll find a range of categories available to fine-tune your Stripe account. What you'll be interested in here is the payments section. So look for that and click on the option labeled payment. This will lead you into another set of options specific to handling transactions and payment methods. Now within the payment settings, look for the payment methods option. Clicking on this will open up a panel where you'll see all the payment methods that Stripe supports. This panel is crucial for deciding how you want to accept payments through your account, giving you quite a few possibilities. Next up, navigate to where it says Apple Pay. Stripe supports a variety of payment options, but for now, we'll be focusing on Apple's digital wallet solution. Selecting Apple Pay will take us closer to enabling this useful feature for your transactions. Alright, by this stage, you should be on the Apple Pay setup page. You'll see an option that says Turn On. A simple click on this button will enable Apple Pay for your Stripe account. Once you've done this, Apple Pay will be activated and it'll become a seamless part of the payment options for your customers. Now that you've enabled Apple Pay, you're officially set to provide your customers with a fast, secure, and convenient payment option. This step enhances their purchasing experience and could potentially increase your customer conversion rate. Remember that continuous updates might change slight details in the process, so it's always good to check Stripe's help documentation for the latest information or any new features that might become available. And there you have it. By following these relatively simple steps, you've successfully enabled Apple Pay and Stripe. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of these steps, don't hesitate to reach out or drop a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.